Hello, Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for Saturday, the 31st of August, and a quick look ahead at the rest of the weekend as well. Now, much of the country is dominated by this ridge of high pressure, bringing dry and sunny weather and very hot conditions in the north. In the south, though, we've got a series of cold fronts moving through. One tonight going into early tomorrow morning, with another following tomorrow night into Sunday morning. Each of these systems will bring a fresh burst of wet and windy weather. Warnings are current, and we do have a dedicated severe weather video for this windy situation. You can find all the details in that other video. Now, it's also worth noting that even once we see that front moving through tomorrow night, going into Sunday morning, another system is building through the day on Sunday, a very strong cold front that'll whip through Sunday night going into Monday with widespread damaging winds, possible rain and storms on the way into the early part of next week. So check the warnings across the weekends as well to keep yourself up to date. Looking around the country now for our Saturday, starting with Queensland, we'll see some morning fog along the east coast, a few patchy showers about the northeast tropical coast, but otherwise a dry and mostly sunny day. Hot across inland and southern parts of the state, even Brisbane heading for a top of 35 degrees, which is 12 degrees above average. We're also going to see some clear conditions through the evening period for river fire in Brisbane, which is good news for everyone heading out to that event. Down in New South Wales, a warm night overnight tonight into tomorrow, with windy conditions through the southeast tomorrow morning. Those should ease back during the afternoon, however, with dry and sunny conditions during the day. We are going to see elevated fire dangers about the central coast for the Greater Sydney and Illawarra Shoalhaven districts though. Sydney is heading for a sunny top of 25 degrees tomorrow, Canberra partly cloudy and 16. It's also worth noting that windy conditions are likely to re-intensify across southeastern New South Wales through tomorrow evening as that next frontal system approaches. Down to Victoria now, a few showers moving through with gusty conditions in the morning, easing back a little bit through the afternoon before a fresh burst of wet and windy weather comes in during the evening. Melbourne heading for a shower or two tomorrow, top of 18 degrees. Down in Tasmania, a wet and windy start. Hobart heading for a top of just 13 degrees, feeling very wintry for our Saturday. We'll see a bit of an easing in those showers through the afternoon before a fresh burst of rainfall comes in during the evening with that next frontal feature. For South Australia now, breezy conditions and patchy showers through the southeast, particularly about the southern agricultural area. Generally fairly mild, becoming warmer inland. Adelaide is heading for a shower or two, top of 19 degrees for our Saturday. Over in Western Australia, settled conditions continue. Dry as well, with just a few showers in the far southwest. Perth might catch those showers at times, heading for a top of just 19 degrees tomorrow. For the Northern Territory, a hot day is on the way for our Saturday, particularly through those central and southern parts of the state. A few morning fogs about the Arnhem and Carpentaria coasts, but otherwise pretty sunny conditions are expected for Saturday. Darwin heading for a top of 33 degrees. Now taking a quick look at Sunday, we're going to see fairly similar conditions persisting through that later part of the weekend. Dry and mostly sunny across northern and western parts of the state, with those windy, wet, cold fronts moving through the southeast. You can find the detailed forecast for your location via the Bureau's website or the BOM social media. Have a good night, and we'll catch you in the next update.